Today, our topic is how to remove dandruff naturally at home using aloe vera. Hello and welcome back to our channel. Studies show that the antimicrobial and antifungal properties of aloe vera inhibit the growth of Malassezia furfur. Malassezia furfur is a species of yeast, a type of fungus, that is naturally found on the skin surfaces of humans and some other mammals, and has been associated with numerous dermatological conditions, including seborrheic dermatitis, dandruff, pityriasis versicolor, and tinea cercinata, all of which affect the skin. Now, we will share how to remove dandruff naturally at home using aloe vera. So make sure to pay close attention to every second of this video, as we are going to start. First of all, you will need aloe vera gel. Now, what you have to do is massage the aloe vera gel onto your scalp in circular motions until absorbed, and then wash your hair after an hour. For best results, you have to repeat this method twice a week. In our upcoming video, we will share how use of baking soda is the best dandruff treatment. So stay tuned. Hope you did get some value out of our today's video. If you really did, hit subscribe button, press the bell icon in order to get regular updates from our channel.